Hey guys, in this part we'll learn abstraction in C#. Data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. Abstraction can be achieved with either abstract classes or interfaces, which you will learn more about interfaces in the next chapter. The abstract keyword is used for classes and methods. Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. And abstract method can only be used in an abstract class, and it does not have a body. The body is provided by the derived class. So I create an abstract class and that have both abstract and regular methods. So abstract keyword and class animal, and public abstract void animal sound, and public void sleep. With uppercase and console.writeLine and in this example it is not possible to create an object of the animal class. So animal my animal equal to new animal, and we have an error says cannot create an instance of the abstract of type or interface. To access the abstract class, it must be inherited from another class. Let's convert the animal class we used in the polymorphism chapter to an abstract class. So create a child class pig and inherited from animal, and public override. We should implement the animal sound method. For example, control dot and implement abstract class enter, and the method is overridden in here. Public override void animal sound and console.writeLine the pig says wee. This code is the body of animal sound method, and change the object pig equal to my pig equal to new pig, and my pig dot animal sound and my pig dot sleep. My pig dot sleep, and control F5 the animal sound and sleep. Why and when to use abstract classes and methods? To achieve security or hide certain details and only show the important details of an object. Note: abstraction can also be achieved with interfaces, which you will learn more about in the next chapter.